Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You've already got chopped chocolate and hot cream ready. Start now. Pour the cream evenly over the chocolate, making sure every piece is submerged. Let it sit undisturbed for 1 minute so heat softens the chocolate uniformly. This prevents shock. After a minute, begin slow circular stirring from the center outward. Don't lift the spoon. Once you see a loose emulsion, stop stirring and prepare to re-emulsify if it looks grainy or separated. If the ganache goes grainy or breaks, act immediately. Hold a clean whisk low in the bowl and whisk steadily from the center outward, coaxing chocolate into the cream. If separation persists, add 1 teaspoon of warm cream or hot water at a time, whisking vigorously after each addition until it binds. For stubborn splits, use an immersion blender with short, low-speed pulses while dragging the head along the bottom. Stop as soon as it becomes glossy to avoid pumping in air. Once the ganache is smooth, transfer to a shallow container and cool gently to your target texture. Make sure to stir once as it cools for even set. If it firms too fast, warm it briefly over a hot water bath and stir until silky. If it remains slightly grainy, the single best fix is controlled warming to 40 to 45 degrees Celsius and vigorous whisking or brief immersion blending. This restores emulsion without diluting flavor. If it still fails, start again with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.